this is a fun one. At a factory, the cost of making different numbers of toothbrushes is shown. So you have your number of toothbrushes and then the cost. It says a linear function models this. Which statement about the rate of change is true? So they're really just saying, hey, find the rate of change. So the only thing you need to do is remember that your x is your top and your y is your bottom, and you know that rate of change is rise over run, or change in y over change in x. The more useful one for us, change in y over change in x. So to go from 3 to 6 would be plus 3, so your change in x is 3, and your change in y to go from $4.50 to 9 is $4.50. Now it tells you that it's linear already, so you can double check that all of these are the same, but you can see very quickly that they are the same, and you know they told you it's linear, so you don't need to check them all if you don't want to. So now you simply reduce this, which means divide $4.50 by 3, and you'll come up with $1.50 over 1, or $1.50 is your price and your number of toothbrushes is 1. So now we look and say, okay, well, if each toothbrush costs $1.50, the cost is increasing by $1.50. The most common mistake would be choice B, because you just see $4.50 and think that's the answer.